Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing Ethereum, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on Ethereum monthly, just like Bitcoin, I think it is very, very likely at 1, 2, 3. I think the wave 4 is very likely to be over, and we're probably in a wave 5 right now. Most wave 5s do take out the high of wave 3, and it does seem pretty likely that eventually it would even take out the previous highs, making new all-time highs on these higher time frames. So going down to the weekly time frame, it definitely looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down on the weekly. Nice Fibonacci retracement bounce, nice impulsive engulfing to the upside. I think there's a very, very good likelihood that this will continue to make higher highs, higher lows on these higher time frames. Most likely like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this right here is very likely the end of a wave 4. Now this could end up being like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1, which is a 1 of 5. It could end up making a pretty decent pullback for a wave 2, and then eventually going up for a wave 3, which definitely seems like the most likely scenario. Now it doesn't have to do that, and for me personally, I definitely wouldn't even think about going short unless it broke this structure right here, because it could make a higher low, and it very easily could continue to trend up. The trend is definitely your friend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I just said, I'm not looking for shorts. The only thing that's going to turn me into a seller is seeing this break structure. Now if this is a wave 1 and this really is now going down for like an ABC of 2, then it definitely will break structure, and it definitely will give you a pretty good sorting opportunity at the end of a wave B of wave 2 before it actually does end up going up for the bigger wave 3. But like I mentioned, it really doesn't have to do that. This could easily be a crescent to the last wave up, and it could easily just keep on trending up, making those higher highs and higher lows. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is very obviously either a wave A or a wave 1. This is very obviously either a wave B or a wave 2. If this is a wave C, then it will definitely make a higher low, and to continue the uptrend. If it's a wave 3, then it will likely keep pushing down and eventually break this structure, which if it does break this structure, that will turn me into a seller, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames. But as of right now, I'm looking at this move as possibly another ABC crescent. I would put my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up. I'd look for 3 waves down. I'd look for impulsive up. I would look for a break of structure for the entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend, which I still suspect is a very likely to be a wave 5 on the weekly and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.